Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering the Verifone and confirming network access. This is crucial because transactions need connectivity. Once the terminal boots, log in with your merchant credentials so the device can fetch configuration. Make sure battery is above 20% or keep the adapter connected to avoid interruptions. If using Ethernet, confirm the cable clicks into the LAN port. If using Wi-Fi, select your SSID and enter the password. Now proceed to the main menu to open a sale. Enter the sale amount exactly as on the receipt. Accuracy matters for settlement. Once you press sale, prompt the customer to choose insert, swipe, or tap. Insert chip cards until the terminal tells you to remove. If a PIN is required, invite them to enter securely. If not, request a signature or contactless confirmation. The terminal communicates with the processor in seconds. Meanwhile, watch for prompts like enter invoice or add tip. Once approved, print or email the receipt as requested. At day's end, close the batch to settle funds. Navigate to menu, then batch close and confirm. This finalizes reporting and moves money to your bank. If you need to fix a mistake, void the transaction the same day or reprint receipts via the transaction history. If a transaction declines, first check network connection and battery, then inspect the card for a damaged chip. If problems persist, reboot the terminal and verify terminal ID and processor settings with support. One tip: always keep a paper backup for charge disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.